Jai Swaminarayan. We are discussing about the chapter around India, and I am discussing about the small question little bit below this. Find out. Okay. The name of the capital of Punjab and Haryana is Chhattisgarh. Okay. So let's start our next chapter, that is brain teaser. Okay. So do you like to solve such teasers? Yeah, it sharpens our brain. Okay, so you have to practice to solve it. Just one moment. Fine. So let's start. Okay, just give me 1 minute, please. Brain teaser, right? No. Fine. Try this. Be careful. There is a twist in most of them. So when it is the funniest, or we can say easiest questions, but something is there, it is twist in given, so that you have to miss the answer. It's very magic, or we can say funny, or you find interesting in solving it. So let's start. How many months have at least 30 days? How many months? So how many months are there in a year? I am math teacher, so I enjoyed it. Tell me. 12 months. So how many months has 30 days and 31 days is our always question, hai na, from the first standard. So which month has 28 or 29 days? February. And except February, all has 30 or 31 days. So minus from 12 1. So how many months are there? 11. So 11th month have either 30 or 31 days. That means all have at least 30 days now. So what will the answer? 11 months. Understand? Okay, see the next question. There are 6 orange in basket. How would you divide among the 6 girls so that each girls get an orange and 1 orange remains in the basket? Now see, there are 6 orange already in the basket. How many girls are there? 6 girls. 6 oranges, 6 girls. So give 1 1 1. Okay. So what is remains in the basket? Nothing. So how can we solve it? बस क्या करना है, एक लड़की को बोलो तुम्हारा ऑरेंज है ना, बास्केट पे रखो. Actually it is not the right answer, it's a joke. Okay, it's a trick, we can say. Okay, 6 girl has get their own orange, but we have to ask one of the girl to put her orange in a basket, so it remains. Understand? It is a trick, it is not the correct answer. Okay, because already question has wrong. It is not possible if 6 oranges are there, and if we divide them in 6 girls, nothing is remains. And if you want to remain there, so ask one girl to put 1 orange in it. Understand? Okay, now next. If you take 2 apples from 3 apples, what do you have? 2 apples. ये कौन से तरीके का क्वेश्चन है पता है? एक जंगल में हाथी था और वो नदी को पार करके ऊपर आ गया. कैसे आ गया? कैसे आ गया मतलब गीला होके. सेम उस तरह का ये क्वेश्चन है. 3 में से 2 एप्पल दे दिए आपको, तो आपके पास क्या हुआ? 2 ही एप्पल हुए ना. If you take 2 apples from 3 apples, what do you have? 2 apples, right? Now next. How many times will you write one digit if you write 1 to 100? Okay, so I have counted. Okay, if you have pen pencil, then you can write and count also. See, 1. Okay, from 1 to 9 only 1 is there. From 10 to 11, see, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 10 टाइम्स, ओके ये 10 और अपना पहले 1 का 1 कितने हो गए 11, ओके सो राइट असाइड 11, देन 21, 31, 41, 51, 61, 71, 81, 91 एंड 100 कितने हो गए देखो 9 हो गए ना 9, 9 प्लस 11 कितने हो गए 20, अंडरस्टैंड एवरीवन? Okay, so what will the answer here? 20 times. Now next, add the number of chess pieces at the start of a game to the number of arms of an octopus and subtract the number of years in 2.5 decades. Okay, so what is the answer? Step by step we will solve it. Now see, first of all, in the when we are started in the chess, okay, how many players are there? 2 players are there. So we have we want number of pieces twice, right? One black color, one white color, right? So one set has 16 pieces. Okay, so how many total pieces there? 16 black and 16 white. So how many it becomes? 32, right? Then how many arms octopus has? The name itself tells us octopus has 8 arms. So we have to add, I am sorry, we have to add 32 plus 8. What we get? 40. Okay, then subtract the number, which number? Years in 2.5 decade. Decade means 10, 2 decades means 20 and half means 5, 20 plus 5 25. So 40 minus 25 we get 15, understand? Okay, now next, a gardener dug a hole 2 meters wide, 3 meters long, 1 meter deep. How many handfuls of soil are there in a hole? Now, you have to read question carefully. Okay, here you have asked how many handfuls of soils are there, still there in the hole. अरे अगर वो होल ही है तो उसमें मिट्टी कहाँ से आएगी? नहीं आएगी, क्योंकि हमने वो जो मिट्टी है वो निकाल कर बाहर डाल दी है, राइट ना? If the question is asked how many soil he has thrown from the hole, then we have to find out the volume of the hole and then it becomes the answer. It is asked still there is there any soil in the hole? As it is hole, it has no soil, so it is empty. Clear answer beta? Next, which is longer, 4.5 feet or 12 inches? So 1 feet is equal to 12 inch. So for 4 feet it is 12 for the 48 inch and half means 6 inch. 48 plus 6 54. So both are equal. Understand? Now 8th question. If you multiply any number by 200, all you have to do, the correct answer is double the dash dash and then add dash dash at the end. Okay, I am teaching 5th class and 6th class maths. So for 5th class, it is in the chapter, I think large numbers chapter is there. If we multiply any number with 100 or multiples of 100, we have to just multiply it by 1 and give the zeros on it. Fine. So same here. If you are multiplying with 200, you have to multiply by only 2 and the remaining